Hey everyone, it's Megan with the CraftyPlannerLovR here. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning in my health and wellness planner for the week of February 10th through the 16th using the Croquet Bows kit from SweetTPlans. This is one of her new collections. I am so obsessed with it. It is so pretty and it has like the perfect like pastel look to it. So as you can see, it's kind of like heart themed. It's kind of spring themed too, which is another reason why I really wanted to use it. So this is the kit that you can get. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it's a 6-page kit. She changed it from a 6-page kit from an 11-page kit to a 6-page kit. So I am so excited to use it and I am ready to get into this week. Full disclaimer, you guys, I am feeling a lot better than I have been in the past few weeks, so I am probably going to be really hyper in this video, just to give you a heads up. I was super sick. I had a really bad sinus infection and it was just insane. So I am finally feeling better. I'm finally feeling like myself again. I still have a little bit of sinus pressure, but it's a lot less intense than it was. So thankfully we are on the mend, I think. Florida does do that to me. It just, the weather changes like at the drop of a hat, so it messes with my sinuses. But we are surviving. It is good. So this is the week of Valentine's Day. Are you guys doing anything for Valentine's Day? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? So I don't know when my camera cut off, but as I was putting this down, I was talking about if you guys celebrate holidays and stuff. My battery likes to just randomly die sometimes. It's because I don't charge my battery when I'm supposed to. So sorry if you guys missed this whole part, but I just was adding the ripped pieces from this kit to the top. That's all I was doing. But anyways, do you guys celebrate any holidays? Do you celebrate Valentine's Day? Do you celebrate, let's see, what else is in February? Mardi Gras starts in February, doesn't it? I don't know what else is happening. I know we have tons of like wacky holidays. I'm blanking on like holidays in February, at least with the United States. So let me know if you guys celebrate any super fun holidays or not. I think it's cool that we have so many different holidays and different events and things. Okay, I'm gonna figure out what I want to do for the meals. I'm thinking I'm going to use this one, but I want to make sure I have room. I'm going to use this one. Well, let's use this one because it's a little smaller for my meal plan, because it has a title too. And the reason I'm doing that is because, you know, you got to have your meal plan. Got to track your meals. I like to write down my dinners on here, not necessarily my breakfasts and lunches or anything like that, because sometimes I don't eat breakfast if I'm working at a night shift. And also, like, my lunch is pretty much the same every single time. It depends on, like, if I'm working morning or night, but if I'm working a morning shift, I will usually have, like, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich or something like that for lunch. And then if I'm working a day shift, most of the time, it will be, and like I'm working during dinner time, it will be like leftovers from the night before. So these are, if you're not familiar, are from HelloHappinessCo. I do have a discount code for her, so if you guys want to save yourself some money off of your order from HelloHappinessCo, highly recommend you check out her Etsy site. I'm not on her PR team or anything, but she did give me a discount code to give to you guys if you're interested in saving some money. So check it out. I will leave it in the description box below, along with SweetTPlans information, which I am on her PR team. So check it out if you are wanting to save yourself some money. So I have these boxes and I need to figure out what I want to do for my food tracking at the bottom. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I feel like I could probably figure something out right? We can use these as our food labels, I feel like. Let's just see how it works. We can figure it out together, because I'm trying to use as much of this kit as possible and not add anything else to it. And then we can use these two, and then we'll have to use something else for our other day. Let's see, let's do this one here. It's going to be a little long. Let's move this one over a bit. May have to move everything over a bit if it'll let me. Sometimes these stickers are really good about coming up. Oh, see, sometimes they're not. Okay, there we go. Now let's try this. Yes, that's perfect. All right. We'll do the same thing on this side. Okay, and then I think what we're gonna do with this one is we're gonna use one of these smaller strips. We're gonna use a small strip, and that will be our other one. There we go. Perfect. So now we've got our meals down here, and now we can figure out what we want to do with the rest of this. So I have a chiropractor appointment on Friday, and I'm pretty sure that that is it. So let's do this for my workout, and we'll do this for the chiropractor appointment, if I can get this circle off. I'm gonna have some leftovers here, I definitely think. Okay. And I think we will use these two stickers over here. I'm actually thinking that I might want to do a circle over here instead. So let's try that. That came out nicely. Yeah, and then we'll do this guy right here. Okay, I feel like I can save the rest of these, and probably these guys too. I don't know if I'm going to use these or not, but we will see. Actually, hold on. I can use this. For right there. Okay. Now we're going to add the deco. I think I want to use this girl. Gonna put her right here. I'm gonna go ahead and write out this section, which we might use for meals, we might use for something else. And maybe this one for over here. All right, let's see what we could use. Let's do the bear and this tea set that says "Be Mine." There we go. It was struggling to come off. All right, let's do the tea set. I want to do it over here. And then we'll do the bear right there. Let's see, what else do we have here? Let's see what else we can use in a second. That there. Perfume bottle next to the bear. We'll do the little tree right there. Cover up my little accidental mistake there. Oh, and the chocolates we'll put here. Let's do the heart there. A little bit more that we can work with. All right, I feel like this is probably going to be good as far as our arrangement of things. So we've got this tea set. Put that there. I'm going to switch this heart with this tea because we have it there. Don't want multiple of the same thing. That can go there. And then let's do the picnic basket of loving stuff right there. What do we think, you guys? I like it. I think I am going to add some more of the little flurries though. We'll do it where the picnic basket is. So maybe we'll go like that. Have the picnic basket like right on top. And then let's do this one. And I'm thinking of having it go right here. And then one more. We could do, let's do this one. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to do one corner up here. Like so. And then I'm thinking the other corner could do down here. Like that. And then take this heart and put it, yeah, put it like right there. All right, what do we think? I like it. And you know what? Because not all of this, like I kind of use all of the Valentine's themed stickers, we can save the rest of these for a springtime spread. And I can use that in a different planner. And then I have some dolls here that I can use, and she could be holding something else. Like I could have her hold like this bouquet of flowers, or you know, something like that, or they could be holding something. So these will work for a springtime spread as well. So I'm not wasting any stickers, which is good. That is my hope and plan. All right, everyone, that is it for this week in my health and wellness planner for the week of the 10th through the 16th of February. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did like it, give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you did enjoy it, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys like the pastel theme, or if you like in-your-face hearts theme for Valentine's Day. Don't forget to check out HelloHappinessCo and SweetTPlans, along with my discount codes and information on their specific socials. For SweetTPlans, you can get my freebie if you use my code, so don't forget to check out her website if you guys are interested in getting any of her stuff. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye, guys.